Sure, here is a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the Vivo V26 Pro 2025, keeping it within 600 words, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into the latest mid-range beast from Vivo, the Vivo V26 Pro. This phone is already making noise in the smartphone world, and we're here to see what makes it special, what's new, and whether it's worth your money in 2025. Let's start with the design. The Vivo V26 Pro comes with a premium feel that instantly catches your eye. It has a slim body with slightly curved edges that make it comfortable to hold. The back panel has a matte finish that resists fingerprints, and the camera module is neatly aligned, giving it a flagship-like appearance. Vivo has clearly focused on giving this phone a sleek and elegant exterior. It's available in vibrant color options that add personality while still looking clean and classy. Moving on to the display. This phone features a large AMOLED screen that gives you punchy colors and deep blacks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, the visual experience feels immersive and smooth. The high refresh rate adds to the fluidity, especially if you're someone who loves fast-paced gaming or smooth UI transitions. Under the hood, the V26 Pro packs serious performance. It runs on a powerful chipset that can easily handle multitasking, gaming, and daily use without breaking a sweat. App launches are fast, switching between apps is seamless, and graphic-intensive games perform well. It also comes with plenty of RAM and storage, which means no worrying about lag or running out of space anytime soon. Battery life is solid. You get enough juice to comfortably get through a full day of use. Even with heavy usage like gaming, video streaming, and social media, the V26 Pro holds up pretty well. And when you do run low, the fast charging support means you're back up and running quickly without waiting around for hours. Let's talk about the camera setup, which is another highlight of this phone. The rear camera system captures detailed shots with good color accuracy, especially in daylight. Portraits come out sharp with a nice depth effect, and the night mode helps in low light situations. The front camera is just as impressive, delivering crisp selfies with natural skin tones. If you're into content creation or just love taking photos, this phone won't disappoint. Software experience on the V26 Pro is clean and user-friendly. Vivo's custom skin has improved over the years and now feels much lighter and more polished. You get some useful features without the bloatware that usually slows down the experience. Security-wise, you've got an in-display fingerprint sensor that's fast and reliable. Face unlock is also available for quick access, and both work well in different lighting conditions. So, what's the conclusion here? The Vivo V26 Pro is a well-balanced device that delivers in design, performance, camera, and battery. It's aimed at users who want a near-flagship experience without paying flagship prices. Vivo has done a great job packing premium features into a phone that still feels accessible. If you're in the market for a stylish, powerful, and camera-focused device in 2025, the V26 Pro should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think of the Vivo V26 Pro in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Let me know if you want a shorter version or one in a different tone.